Hi, welcome to CHRQuest. I'm Kaushik. This video is basically for those who are planning to pursue any kind of professional education. Well, I would like to again speak the word called professional education, where you are supposed to be professional. So you can pursue professional education only when you think professionally and you approach that education professionally. Now the question arises, what do you mean by the word called professional? Well, a professional is a person who is disciplined, who respects time, who respects learning, who does not show any kind of slackness, and most importantly, who is ready to learn at every point in time in his life. And that's why when you join any kind of professional institution, personally professional program, it could be like chartered accountant, it could be company secretaryship, it could be master of business administration, and so on. The most important aspect is how do you approach professionally. Well, as I said, you need to be a professional individual to pursue any professional education, and that's why I'm going to tell you quickly that what exactly is the definition of being a thorough professional. Respect two things in life: the importance of development of skills when you are a part of any professional institution. And skill development is all about a long-term process about what exactly you have in terms of your basic competencies, how do you nurture, hone and develop it further so that it gets better and it gives you high returns in the future. So if you are a part of any professional institution, respect this particular idea of development of skill. It could be leadership skills, negotiation skills, communication skills, written communication skills, anything for that matter. Whatever skills that you are not very good at, because if you really want to grow professionally, respect the importance of development or nurturing those skills at every point in time in your life. So the first thing is, think about development of your skills professionally if you really want to pursue any professional education. Second, you need to continuously develop knowledge, and it is a never-ending process. And when it comes to development of knowledge, it is not only about that what exactly you do in the classroom session or you learn from your faculty. Professional education demands something professional from your end. It could be you being a professional, start writing articles. Even if you are studying in a B school, then you feel about you should read articles and then you learn from others. It is not sufficient. A professional person's job is also to acquire some knowledge. And acquiring knowledge is not only about reading from some books and learning from others. It is also sharing what exactly you have learned so far. So a good professional individual would be an individual particularly who follows these two things, who respects the importance of development of skills at every point in time, at the same time who shapes us his knowledge not only through listening to others or reading books, but at the same time he shares with the world through some conversation, through some blogs, through some participating in some kind of seminars or any public speaking activity. So if these two things you really specifically focus on, then you are actually on the right track of development, and people also would be taking you as a thorough professional because you have been able to groom yourself in the areas of skill development and knowledge development. So next time when you think about joining any professional education, and if you have already joined, don't think about your grades only and don't think about your assignments and your deadlines. Think how do you need to shape up your skills and your knowledge with a 360-degree approach so that you get better professionally in future. So to know more about such tips on how do you develop your career and how do you do well in your career, do visit www.hrquest.com. Thank you.